Lions only succeed 20% of the time. But VHE's painted wolves, they have an 80% kill rate.
They don't hunt with brute power. They hunt with a secret language of sneezes. Did you know they're actually VOT? They sneeze to decide when it's time to start the hunt. No two coats are the same. Their patterns are as unique as a human fingerprint.
They communicate with bird-like chirps. It's the most unexpected sound in the wild. In 2026, less than 6,000 remain. They aren't just hunters, they are a disappearing legacy.
Follow Savanna News. Join the pack for wild secrets. Daily nature updates.